Hi friends, I'm going to talk to you today about my favorite planning software. This planning software is called Planoly. You can see that right here in case you heard me wrong. This is the plan dashboard. If you ever get lost inside of the Plan app, you can always come back to this page by clicking Plan right here. On the right side of my screen, you can see the calendar view. I prefer to use the monthly view, but there is also a weekly view if you prefer it. You can see the posts that I have scheduled to go live next week on this view by the bolded times like these. And you can see the posts that I've already had go live up here. They're not bolded and they have a number of comments that each post received. Now on the left side, you can see what my grid will look like. If I scroll down, you can see what my grid already looks like on Instagram. And then Planoly has conveniently told me exactly how many comments and likes I received on each of these posts at a glance. Scrolling up, you can see the posts that will go live next week. Let's add some more here so that you can see how it works. Go up to Add to Grid, this little plus sign, and pick a source that you'd like to grab images from. Now I can select as many images as I would like to load in, so let's just pick a few. Open, and it'll take a moment to load those in, but when it does, it will ask me if I would like to upload them as a carousel post, all in one, or 3 separate posts. I'm going to pick 3 separate posts for the purpose of this video. And so I'm going to click right here once they populate here, which may take a moment. While I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to let you know that you can always reach out to me via email with any follow-up questions to this or any other video that I post. You can email me at hello@effievermeza.com. So now that they're loaded here, I can upload them as 3 separate posts. And you can see that they've populated on the grid side. This is so that you can arrange your grid aesthetically pleasing, and so you can actually grab an image and drag it to where you want it to be in the grid. I will post them like this, maybe. All right. Now, to schedule a post, you can click on the image. You can type your caption. You can schedule the date here. Let's just say Monday the 19th at 1 p.m. It automatically has it toggled to post to Instagram automatically. I can also post to Facebook and Twitter, or I can turn the auto post off and it will notify me on my phone that I have a post that needs to go live. Down here you have several menus. In the edit menu, you can swap the image out for another one. You can crop it. You can do all of these things to it. You'll want to add a geotag location to your photo. It has saved some of the ones that I've used in the past here, but you can also search for a new location. I'm going to pick Tacoma, Washington as my general location that will geotag automatically on this post. You can also tag a user, and it will automatically tag that user when it posts. So all you have to do is click the image, and you can either pick from a tag that you used previously or add a new user here. Just make sure you type the exact user name of the person that you want to tag so that it knows who to tag. I'll just show you what it looks like when you pick something. I'll pick Hello Cupcake. And there you have it. It looks like they will be tagged in this image. If I click Done, it'll take me back here. I can still see that I've got a tag on there. Another really great feature is this comment. I can have Planoly add a first comment on my post, which is where I like to post my hashtags anyways. You can click here and you can write your own hashtag in, but I recommend researching and planning your hashtags well in advance and creating groups of hashtags. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But first of all, since we're already here, I'll show you how you can populate the hashtags that you have already saved. There's this little hashtag button down here. If you click it, you can see your hashtag groups that you've already planned. You can add one right here to the post, and voila. Now click done, and you'll see right here that there's a 1 next to that comment icon. That means that you have a comment saved. We're not going to talk about linking in this video, but I will cover that in a future video. Now, if I click to automatically post this to Instagram and save, you'll see that it used to be a little U for unscheduled, and it changed to an S for scheduled, and it's also added this little paper airplane with an A that means it will automatically post. If it's not scheduled for auto post, let me show you how it will look. Just an S, no paper airplane, just that little S. And so a quick note on that, carousel posts like this one will have a little double icon here. That's because this was a carousel post with multiple photos. Those are not able to be auto-posted via Planoly. And so what will happen with a post like that or one like this that I have scheduled not to go live automatically is that it will notify my phone, and then I will go in and manually post onto Instagram. But the great thing is that Planoly will bring your photo in if you follow the prompts, and they'll copy your caption onto the clipboard of your phone so that it's really easy for you to go ahead and post that, even if it's not an auto post situation. Now, I mentioned hashtags. You can create groups of hashtags right here. You just click the hashtag and you can create a new group. You can name your group and you can research some hashtags on Instagram and put them right here. And then you can put up to 30 in a group because that's how many you can put on an Instagram post, and then you hit save and it will be right here for you, and then you can use that hashtag group on a post very easily. You can also access these hashtags on your phone. If your post is not an auto post, you can still access the hashtags and use them by copying them onto the clipboard on your phone and then onto your Instagram post. So it's all very easy and works together well. The other thing that I want to mention to you is that you can actually respond to people's comments on this dashboard by clicking over here on comment. And I can see who has commented on my post, and I can actually respond to them directly here, and it will post on Instagram. In addition, there's an analyze feature that's really great on the Planoly app. It is this dashboard that tells me how well I'm doing. And so I'll let you take your own time to explore this for now, and I will try to do a video on how to read your analytics in the future because this is a really helpful dashboard as well. But that's all for today. Thanks, friends.